Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys phone call setting. And today video title guys, how to save contact number in oppo mobile. Friends, you want to save contact number in your oppo mobile, so how to save number one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone call setting. So guys, after on your phone call setting, where is phone call setting? Phone calls. After on your phone call setting, after on your phone call setting means enter number, which number you want to save in your device, in your mobile. Friends, click here and friends click here create new contact and friends enter name. So friends, I will enter my school school friend, my school friend, and I will save this number in my oppo mobile. Friends, number will save. After save number, friends, you want to call your friend, you can call your friend, you can send text messages, you can start video call. And if you click a star option, so you can add number in your favorite list. And friends, if you click two dots, so friends, you can edit number, you want to share number, so you can share this contact number. Friends, click here edit, you can edit number. And friends, you have any photo your friend, so friends click here select photo. And friends, you can select photo. After select photo, you can save photo on contact number. So friends, we will select photo. After select photo, friends, you want to crop your photo, so you can crop photo. After crop photo, adjust your photo and save here. And guys, photo will save on contact number, you can check. You want to delete photo from contact number, you can delete photo. And if you click two dots, so friends, you can delete number also. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.